Welcome to an instructional video on using the remote control to set the lights on a solar hire lighting tower. Before operation, check for overhead obstructions including power lines, and also that the emergency stop switch above the control panel is not pressed in. Using the operational guide, we will use the number references on page 3 for remote function identification. To start the setup process, the switch in the control panel box must be set to manual. From the stowed position, you need to unlock the remote control by pressing and holding the upper left green button number 1 and the lower right icon button number 9 at the same time for a period of 5 seconds. Pressing the green button will raise the mast. The button must be pressed for at least 7 seconds for other functions to work. The tilt function for the lights operates by pressing buttons number 3 and number 4 on the remote. The pan function for the lights operates by pressing buttons number 6 and number 7 on the remote. To switch the first set of lights on, press the button on the remote with the light icon on the far left, number 8. To switch the second set of lights on, press the button on the remote with the light icon on the far right, number 9. The LED above each remote light icon should now be visible. The light switch can now be set to auto to activate the day-night operation. The compressor will start to raise the mast completely to its full extent. Remember to check the LED lights above the light icons are on for the tower lights to come on at dark. You can check the operation of the light sensor unit by covering it with black plastic material. The lights will take about 20 seconds to turn on. At any stage you can lower the mast by pressing button 14 on the remote between the green and yellow button. However, the switch in the control panel box needs to be set to manual for this to work. To totally pack up the tower, switch the unit to manual and press the yellow button number 2 on the remote just once. This will automatically turn off each set of lights, bring the pan and tilt functions back to stow position, and lower the mast completely. This also triggers the micro switch on the mast to reset the original position and lock the remote. Once this has happened, it is necessary to start the unlock procedure of the remote control to begin the process again. If the mast is lowered by pressing the number 14 button and comes in contact with the mast micro switch, it is necessary to press the yellow button to complete the cycle to lock the remote. Ensure the emergency stop button on the side of the trailer is not pressed in. Tilting, panning and lights only work after unlocking the remote and pressing the green button for a minimum of 7 seconds to extend the mast. Stop the auto stow operation by pushing the stop button number 13. Press the yellow number 2 button to recommence the auto stow procedure. Please contact Solar Hire on 1300 729 371. Thank you.